Welcome to Harpa, Iceland's first official concert hall and conference center. This building was opened in the year of 2011, so for about 6 years now we have been open and very active. We have become the home of the Iceland Symphony Orchestra, the Icelandic Opera, and the Reykjavik Big Band. And then we can use all of our halls for whatever type of music performance or events. We have 4 concert halls to choose from, and none of them are exactly the same. But they are all named after some element from Icelandic nature. This building was designed by Henning Larsen Architects from Denmark, Batterið Architects from Iceland, and the visual artist Ólafur Elíasson that designed the glass facade.